Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, finally the day has come. Today is the NFP day. As a trader, you must be knowing that NFP is a major event, and this week has been very boring because market was mostly silent, market was mostly flat, and market was waiting for the NFP. To be honest, December and January both are not good months to trade because after 28th of December till second week of January, market is very low volatile, market remains silent because market is mostly in holiday mode. Okay, but we got to see some pre-Christmas celebration because of the NFP, and this week was extremely boring. Hardly we got any proper trading opportunities, and today also before NFP the number of trading opportunities are almost zero, because in this situation we can clearly see that market is trading inside a range after a few hours. NFP will be out and we can expect the market to remain like this only. So again, I'm repeating, if you're a positional trader, swing trader, you have no trades right now. You just need to wait for the NFP, watch the NFP, see where the market settles, and you can plan your trades by next week. If you're a day trader also, and if you're looking for good trades, obviously this is not the right market. If you still want to trade, then obviously you can trade here and there, but let me be very clear, no level in this situation is reliable, because every chart has some major levels, some minor levels, and as we all know, the major levels are far away, market is just trading around the minor levels, and right now we don't have the minor levels also. So whatever I'm about to discuss right now are only for those people who want to trade because they have nothing else to do. Otherwise, if you're in a tight spot, you cannot afford to lose any money, please do not trade. This is not the ideal market condition. Market will give you plenty of opportunities to make money when things are normal. So let's discuss the chart of gold. So it's of no use talking about the higher time frame. Let's focus on the hourly and 15 minutes only. First of all, the hourly time frame. On the hourly chart, we can see that we got the drop we discussed yesterday. Yesterday we discussed about a selling opportunity below 263 3132 area. We got the selling opportunity after making a low around 2614. Market is going up. We can see market is a choppy market. So before NFP, if market drops, chances are less. We can still look for buy around 2605 2610. This is the level where we can look for a buy position before NFP. If market goes up, then we can look for a sell around 266365. This level is still very much valid. And if you look at the lower time frame, if you look at the lower time frame, you can see we have some selling opportunity around 2655 to 2652 area as well. So if market goes up from here, you can look for some selling opportunity around this particular portion. And if market comes down, then as a day trader, you can look for some buy around 2633 around, oh sorry, not 2633, around this particular area. You can also look for some buy as a day trader. How much you can expect? 30 or 40 pips, not more than it in this market. If you can get 20 pips also, it's good enough. Because why are we considering 2633 area? Because see, we have the previous resistance working as support. When market coming down, if you see market taking support around this area, market showing price rejection from below, you can look for a buy position. We are considering 265254 area because of previous price rejection around this area. Do not forget, these levels will not work after news. After NFP, when the market will be volatile, only follow the trend of the market. That is the only solution. And in case market breaks 2633 area, we can look for some buy around 2629 as well. So apart from these, I do not see any other trading opportunity on the chart of gold right now. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, before NFP, chances of getting a good trade is very less because market has been sideways, market has been choppy for the last couple of days. After NFP, you need to follow the trend of the market, because these levels or technicals do not work when news dominate. That's a bitter reality and we need to understand. So after NFP, following the trend. Before NFP, if you're a scalper, day trader, then you can look for some quick trades. That's it. Otherwise, the trading opportunities in front of us are not reliable because the major levels are far away. So before NFP, if market drops, chances are less. Okay, still we can look for buy around 2605, 2610. And before NFP, if there is a low volume drop in the market, then you can look for some buy around 2633 or 2629. These are the two levels where you can look for a buy position. If market goes up, then you can look for some sell around 2652, 2655. Again, I'm repeating, if you're a beginner, new trader, please try to avoid this type of market because good trade or quality trade should be a priority, not this type of trades. After NFP, how market will react, it is very difficult to tell because obviously technical analysis, okay, has some limitations. And when fundamentals dominate, technicals do not work. So as a trader, okay, we need to be flexible. After news, after NFP, when you'll see that market is following a direction, try to follow it. Okay, so I will not suggest you any reversal trades here. I will not suggest any support, any resistance, because when the volume will be extremely high, no level will work. Okay, and from the contracts data also, we do not have any strong levels on the chart of gold right now. So contract wise as well as on the chart of gold, technically, okay, we do not have any strong numbers, okay, that can restrict the market. For example, if there is a big drop in the market, okay, if there's a big drop in the market, obviously market will break 2600, 2575, everything. Around 2575 area, maximum you can get a minor bounce of 70-80 pips, not more than that. Because if there is a sudden drop in the market starts falling, okay, gold is crashing, then okay, things will be very different. Okay. And if you feel that because of a support market will bounce, then obviously it's not going to happen. Because if there's a very strong support, then you can expect that maximum there will be a minor bounce, not a trend reversal. Because for a trend reversal also, we need the backing of fundamentals. But yes, if market drops, I don't think so. Market will break 2530, 2540 area. Okay, we still have a good number of buyers sitting around this area. If market goes up also, I don't think so. Market will break 2720. Anyways, the weekly closing is going to be very important for all of us. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful. Do not gamble. Okay, at the time of news. News trading is lucrative, but maximum people lose money at the time of news. Bye bye. Take care.